Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another guest star, my grandma Jenly. She'll be reading a great Christmas book today, so let's get started. Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today we have another guest star, my Grammy Jenly. She'll be reading a great Christmas book, and it is our first one of the season, so I hope you guys will enjoy it. Take it away, Grammy.
Thank you, Reagan. And this book is special to me. I chose it because Olivia is Reagan's middle name. So this book is called Olivia Helps with Christmas. And if you know Olivia, it makes you wonder, is she really helping? So let's get started. 'Twas the day before Christmas. Olivia and her family had been out all morning, busy with last-minute shopping. Olivia was exhausted, yet there was still so much to do. So they got their tree the day before Christmas. Olivia told her father and Ian to put up the tree so she could help her mother with William's lunch. Olivia, what are you feeding him? Blueberry pie? Oh, darling, that's going to make him sick. Whoops. Oh, Olivia. By 4 o'clock, Olivia was getting impatient. Sweetheart, Santa won't be here for hours, said her mother. Now, wipe that soot off your snout and help me untangle these lights. Oh, dear. Oh, Olivia. Mommy! Darling, it is much easier if you plug them in first. There, isn't that better? Finally, the tree was trimmed, and it looks beautiful. 5 p.m. Santa watch, no Santa, rain. Olivia wanted to be even more of a help. Mommy, may I set the table for Christmas Eve dinner? Oh, yes, Olivia, that would be very helpful. Why, that's beautiful, darling. Where did you find that perfect little tree? Uh-oh. Oh, dear, Olivia, what were you thinking? Would you like to help me build a fire, Olivia? Daddy! What could you be thinking? Do you want to cook, Santa? 7 o'clock p.m. Santa watched. No Santa, but no rain. After dinner, the family gathered to sing carols. Softly they started. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains. Olivia always lets go with a chorus of Gloria. Finally, the most important task of the night, leaving treats for Santa Claus. Olivia said, now it's time to wait. Her mother said, now it's time for bed, and yanks her away. Do you see what I see? But Olivia wasn't at all sleepy. She tossed and she turned. First she was hot, then she was cold, then she heard something on the roof. Could it be Santa? I don't think so. It seemed she would never go to sleep until she woke up and saw it was morning. Olivia ran to get her brothers. Noiselessly, they crept down the stairs. Snow! presents! Stockings! And look, cried Olivia. Santa ate all the cookies and milk. Burp. Now, children, said Olivia's mother, finish your breakfast and then you can open the presents under the tree. Some of Santa's offerings were better than others. Pajamas, skis, sweater, sled, booties, maracas. The children thanked their parents for a wonderful Christmas, and Olivia announced, "Now I have a present for you." It's a self-portrait. Won't it be beautiful over the fireplace? Well, said Olivia, I think I'll hit the slopes. I think she's going to try out her skis. And there she goes. And there she goes, and down she goes. So, looks like her brother is trying out the sled, and she said, skiing takes more practice. Olivia and Ian worked all afternoon to make a snowman. Olivia dressed it. That evening, Olivia finally allowed her father to build a fire. The family sat and warmed their trotters while Olivia's mother brought them steaming mugs of hot soup. Soon it was time for bed, but Olivia wasn't at all sleepy. Or so she said. But before the lights were out, she fell into a deep, dreamless slumber. Well, not quite dreamless. Here she is, dancing away. The end. Thank you, Reagan.
Thank you so much for reading, Grammy. I hope you guys enjoyed this Olivia book. Merry Christmas almost. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.
Bye-bye.